In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in DaVinci Resolve. First, go to the Edit page. This is the workspace where you will perform most of your editing tasks. The Edit page is designed for cutting, trimming, and arranging your clips. You will see a timeline at the bottom and your media pool on the top left. This is where your video clips and audio files are stored. If you want to make precise edits, this page is essential. It allows you to work efficiently and see your changes in real time. Once you are on the Edit page, you are ready to start making adjustments to your video. Next, select the clip in the timeline. Click on the specific video clip you want to zoom in on. This action highlights the clip, indicating that it is now active for editing. You will notice that the clip gets a different color or outline, showing that it has been selected. Selecting the right clip is crucial because it tells DaVinci Resolve which content you will be working on. Without this step, any adjustments you make won't affect the clip you intend to modify. Take a moment to ensure you have the correct clip selected before moving on. From there, open the inspector located at the top right corner of your workspace. The inspector is a powerful tool that provides various settings for the selected clip. When you open it, you will see options related to your clip's properties, including effects, audio levels, and transformations. This feature is important because it gives you control over how your clip appears and behaves in your timeline. Once the inspector is open, you will be able to make the necessary adjustments to zoom in on your footage. Now, under the Transform section in the inspector, increase Zoom X and Zoom Y. Zoom X controls the horizontal scaling of your clip, while Zoom Y controls the vertical scaling. By increasing these values, you effectively zoom in on your clip, making it larger on the screen. This adjustment is significant because it allows you to focus on specific details or subjects within your video. As you increase these values, you will see the clip expand in the viewer. This visual feedback reassures you that your changes are taking effect. After that, adjust position X and position Y to frame the subject. These settings allow you to reposition your clip after zooming in. Position X moves the clip horizontally, while position Y adjusts it vertically. This step is essential for ensuring that the important parts of your clip are centered or framed correctly after zooming. As you make these adjustments, pay attention to how the clip appears in the viewer. You want the focus of your shot to be clear and engaging. This attention to detail makes your edits more polished and professional. With that done, you've effectively zoomed in on your clip and repositioned it to highlight your subject. This process not only enhances the visual appeal of your video, but also directs the viewer's attention where it matters most. You'll find that mastering these tools in DaVinci Resolve allows for greater creativity in your projects. Your clips are now enhanced and ready to captivate your audience. By following these steps, you can easily zoom in on any clip in DaVinci Resolve, giving your videos more impact and clarity. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with these settings to find the best look for your footage. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!